Okay, I am testing the main board that I got. Let me just turn it on. I'll show you what it's doing. I walked through your black screen check. It's not a black screen. It comes on, but it's blank, and it chirps all the time. So you're gonna see what's going on. I set the board up exactly like the other one was. If you can see, the board came, or the board came in a box. And the box was kind of crushed, so I don't know if the board got damaged in transit or not. But this is the board. I put it on cable for cable. You can see I've got my voltage voltmeter here. I'll test it for you. I checked the power supply. Everything's set correctly. I'm in the US. This is a 110 voltage AC. So I make sure it was set to 110. Okay, so when I turn it on, let me just show you what happens when I turn it on, and you'll hear a chirping sound. Plug it in. Light goes on for a second, goes off, so it seems like the board's okay. But if you look and see, I'm going to take my voltmeter and connect it to the power supply. I do have 12.6 volts on there, so I know that's the volts are correct. The screen looks like this. It's totally blank. If I reset it, it acts like if I'm just plugging it back in. And it will just chirp like that forever. If I try to connect it to a USB, it does recognize that there's a port there, but it doesn't. I cannot connect to it. So the board is in a state that is not usable at all. So if I plug in my USB connection up at the top here, right here, and then I plug it into my machine, you should hear the sound of connection. And I'm going to go to my device manager here. Let's see, where's it at? Device, ports. There it is. Sorry, I'm recording this differently. Alright, so I've got my screen up. Yeah, you can see myself recording. But this is my device, my comm menus. Alright, there we go. See if I can get this stable while I plug in my USB. So when I plug in my USB port, there we go. It gives me the ramps COM9. The difference about this is, even though it shows up, it will not. I cannot connect to it using Arduino or any of that stuff. So it seems like it's a bad board. I don't know what to do. If you could please advise me, if you could help me figure out what is wrong, that would be awesome. Thank you very much.